Hello everyone, it's Pirenko from Theme Forest. This video is about managing blog pages. So after creating some blog posts, or if you already have them, if you want to have a page to show these posts, you can go to Pages, Add New, and give your page a title if you want it. So we're seeing here some help messages from Visual Composer because we are using a new WordPress install. So you can give your page, or you should give your page a title if you want, and then on the template you should select the blog page, and when you do this, these options here under will change. So we have selected the blog page, and you see you have here some new options. And here basically you have options related with the page layout, so you can decide if you want to show a sidebar or not. You can also have a special sidebar on the right side if you want. In terms of the menu display, this has already been covered by another video tutorial. So basically here you are deciding if the menu or if the content will appear behind the menu or not. So if the menu can be transparent like you have on some of the previews. And you can also set up a special background color for this page. And here in terms of layout, you have 4 options in terms of layout of how the page can look. So for instance, the default one is the masonry. Let's just publish this page for now and let's see how it looks. So when you come here and check how our page is looking at this moment, so we have here the menu, the page title, and here we have our masonry. So for instance, if you want to have something more or less like on the theme preview, you don't have the sidebar on this page, so you can just come here to the sidebar and say that you want to hide it. And here also let's try the classic layout. So it's just as simple as this, that you can change your page layout. So at this moment we still have our title here, but we changed the layout. This is the classic layout, and we have decided to hide the sidebar. So you have here 2 more options in terms of layout, and you can decide how you want the text to be aligned. In this case, this is not available for all the layouts, but for this one, for the classic, you can have this title showing with different alignments. You can also, if you want to have multiple blog pages, you can decide here or choose here which categories this page is going to display. You can also have the filter above the thumbnails. You can turn it on or off here. In terms of navigation display, in this case we have the show load more posts button. So on this page it's not showing because we have very few posts, but let me show you this one. Let's go to the settings reading, and let's change the number of posts that we are going to show. So let's say that we only want to show 3 posts, and in this case, because we have more than 3, we have the load more posts button here under. So you can have this in terms of navigation, but you can also have the, let's say, more common navigation method, which will be button showing, letting you load the older posts. So here you can navigate through the multiple blog pages. Let me see what options here we have. So we have here also some extra options which are related with the title, and you can also have a feature slider above the content or the post's content. So let's just try and hide our page title. And if you look into the theme demos, you'll see that on most of the blog pages we have a header before the content. So what I have done there is I have selected the option to hide the page title, and then here on the page content we have a row with a background image, and let me just select here an image just to show you. So what we have on most of the demos, as I was saying, is a row with a background image and with a title inside. So let's just give some padding and a title here. And center aligned and white. and medium size should be good. And that's it. Let's see how our page is looking now. So we have removed our page title that was being shown by default, and now we have still here this black bar on the menu, which is looking kind of weird, but this has to do with the current theme options. So we need to activate this option here. So we, in this case, but this is not mandatory, but I would recommend you to do this. In this case, we probably want the menu showing behind the content showing behind the menu, so we need to activate that option. And when we do this, this is looking more close to what we have on the theme demo. So the only thing that we can do here is add some padding before the title. So let's try 260 and save and refresh. So here's our blog page. So a lot of options here, and you can also play around. You are free to play around with the content. That's all for now. Thank you very much for watching.